Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, I'm Crypto Maximalist. Thank you very much for joining me again for another daily update on some cryptos in the market. We can see here we're taking a look at Polygon today, or Matic. Thank you very much for joining me as always. Please do leave a like and subscribe, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just basically taking a look at Polygon here. You can see all that needs to be said really is that we're in this massive coiling, accumulation, consolidation, bear market shenanigans that's cracking off right now. You can see on the charts here, pretty obvious that we've just been basically, we came up, made the all-time high, tested the low, tested the high, tested the low, just continuing to kind of coil up into this little level like this, as you can see quite clearly on the charts here. Polygon's been an absolute sucker for the Fibonacci levels. You can see all over the place here. Once I pulled my Fibonacci level from a high to the low here, once we'd identified this low, swing low of the bear market, at least so far. Although I do think it's quite unlikely now that we'd be heading back down to 30 cents for Polygon. But you can see here, ever since then we've been working the fibs, resistance, support, support, resistance, support, overextension, support, resistance, coming back down, resistance here, all the way down to support, resistance, and then you can see here we started to grind in and around the 0.23 Fibonacci, down at around 50 cents, obviously a psychological support as well. Bounce at that level, all the way up to, you guessed it, resistance at another Fibonacci level, the 0.50, which actually happens to coincide pretty nicely with the psychological $1 level as well. Retracement from that level down to the previous 0.38 Fibonacci level at 75 cents, also a psychological level. You can see this previous area here was a support as well. So really Polygon obviously had a pretty decent first half of the bear market, where it looked like really it was coming up and testing some of these highs, but then rejected and rolled all the way down, lost its support that it was holding here, came down, retested, came down again, and then obviously we broke back into this, basically this big range that we were in between these two Fibonacci levels, from anywhere from 75 cents to $1 really. Back inside those levels now, and really, you know, we're going to start knocking on the door of that bear market resistance pretty soon. You can see here it's currently sitting at around $1. So a retest of this level, a breakout backtest continuation would be absolutely lovely to see. But other than that, not that much going on really in the markets, is there? We are just waiting for Bitcoin to make another high in my opinion, but I do think things are looking a bit toppy right now, so obviously stay safe, not financial advice, but always consider all the possibilities in crypto. Don't get married to your bias. Like and subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff, and I'll catch you in another little daily update tomorrow. Cheers.